Choosing the right garden hose can make watering, cleaning, and outdoor maintenance much easier. Between durability, flexibility, length, fittings, spray nozzle quality, storage, and resistance to leaks or kinks, not every hose delivers the same level of performance. To help you make the right choice, I've selected the 3 best garden hoses available today based on their build quality, ease of use, durability, versatility, and overall value for money. In the third, the Flexi hose is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a lightweight, flexible, and easy-to-use garden hose. It expands automatically when the water is turned on and quickly shrinks back to its compact size when the water is off, making storage effortless while saving plenty of space. Setting it up is quick and hassle-free. The solid 3/4-inch brass fittings connect securely to most outdoor faucets, creating a reliable and leak-resistant connection. Once connected, the hose expands smoothly to its full length and is ready for use within seconds. One of its biggest strengths is its versatility. The included spray nozzle features 8 different spray patterns, allowing you to switch easily between watering delicate flowers, cleaning patios, washing vehicles, or tackling other outdoor chores. Changing spray modes is quick and intuitive. The overall build quality is impressive. The double latex core is protected by a durable outer fabric that helps resist twists, punctures, and everyday wear. The brass connectors also add durability and provide a more premium feel compared to plastic fittings. I also appreciated how lightweight this hose is. Even when fully extended, it's much easier to move around the yard than a traditional rubber hose. It glides smoothly around plants, garden furniture, and corners without constantly kinking or tangling. During everyday use, the Flexi hose makes watering much more enjoyable. Once you're finished, it quickly contracts to its original size, making it easy to carry, store in a small space, or hang neatly on a hose holder. It's especially convenient for homeowners with limited storage space. If I had to point out one small drawback, it would be that, like most expandable hoses, it should be protected from sharp objects and rough surfaces to maximize its lifespan. A little extra care goes a long way in keeping it in excellent condition. Overall, the Flexi hose offers an excellent balance of quality, convenience, and performance. Its lightweight design, durable construction, reliable fittings, and versatile spray nozzle make it a great investment for anyone looking to simplify outdoor watering and cleaning tasks. Secondly, the LeFree is a great option for anyone looking for a durable alternative to traditional expandable or rubber garden hoses. Its 304 stainless steel construction provides excellent resistance to punctures, kinks, and everyday wear, while remaining surprisingly lightweight and easy to handle. Getting started is quick and simple. The hose comes with standard 3/4-inch brass fittings that connect securely to most outdoor faucets. The leak-resistant connectors create a tight seal, helping prevent water loss and ensuring a consistent flow during use. One of the biggest advantages of this hose is its flexibility. Despite its metal construction, it moves smoothly around the yard without twisting or kinking like many standard hoses. Whether you're watering plants, washing a car, or cleaning a patio, it maintains a steady flow without constantly needing to be straightened out. The overall build quality is impressive. The stainless steel outer layer protects the inner hose from punctures, pet bites, sharp edges, and harsh weather conditions. It feels extremely solid and is clearly designed to last much longer than a traditional garden hose. Another feature I really liked is the included 10-pattern spray nozzle. It offers plenty of versatility, allowing you to switch from a gentle mist for flowers to a powerful jet for cleaning driveways, outdoor furniture, or vehicles. The ergonomic handle also makes extended watering sessions much more comfortable. During everyday use, the hose is easy to maneuver despite its 100-foot length. It glides smoothly across grass, concrete, and gravel without snagging easily, making it a practical choice for medium to large gardens or properties where extra reach is needed. If I had to point out one small drawback, it would be that the metal exterior can become warmer after sitting in direct sunlight for long periods. It doesn't affect performance, but it's something to keep in mind before handling it on very hot summer days. Overall, the Lefri offers an excellent combination of durability, flexibility, and convenience. With its stainless steel construction, leak-proof fittings, long reach, and versatile spray nozzle, it's a fantastic choice for homeowners looking for a long-lasting garden hose that can handle demanding outdoor tasks. And to finish, first of all, the J&B is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a long, lightweight, and easy-to-store garden hose. It expands up to 3 times its original length when the water is turned on and quickly shrinks back to a compact size when you're finished, making storage incredibly convenient. Getting started is quick and simple. The solid 3/4-inch brass connectors attach securely to most outdoor faucets, providing a reliable, leak-resistant connection. Once connected, the hose expands smoothly to its full 100-foot length and is ready for watering or cleaning in just a few seconds. One of its biggest strengths is its versatility. The included 10-pattern spray nozzle makes it easy to switch between gentle watering for flowers, stronger spray settings for washing vehicles, or powerful jets for cleaning patios, driveways, and outdoor furniture. The controls are simple to use and respond quickly. The overall construction feels well made. The durable outer fabric combined with a 4-layer latex core helps protect the hose from kinks, twists, and everyday wear while maintaining excellent flexibility. The reinforced brass fittings also add durability and give the hose a premium feel. I also appreciated the included storage bag, which makes transporting and storing the hose much easier. Once the water is turned off, the hose contracts quickly and fits neatly into the bag without taking up much space in a garage, shed, or storage cabinet. During everyday use, the lightweight design really stands out. Even at 100 feet long, it's much easier to carry around the yard than a traditional rubber hose. It moves smoothly around flower beds, trees, and outdoor furniture without constantly getting tangled or feeling cumbersome. If I had to point out one small drawback, it would be that, like most expandable hoses, it should be kept away from sharp edges and rough surfaces whenever possible. A little extra care will help maximize its lifespan and keep it performing at its best. Overall, the J&B delivers an excellent combination of flexibility, durability, and convenience. With its long reach, lightweight construction, premium brass fittings, and versatile spray nozzle, it's a fantastic option for homeowners looking for an easy-to-use hose that handles a wide variety of outdoor watering and cleaning tasks. That wraps up my selection of the 3 best expandable garden hoses. Each of these models offers its own advantages, whether you're looking for maximum flexibility, durable construction, multiple spray patterns, or the best value for your money. The right choice ultimately depends on the size of your garden and how you plan to use it. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.